How's it going, guys? Lockpick and Coal Miner here. I was going to try the Monkey Lockpicks 300 sub giveaway challenge. Hashtag Monkey Lockpicks 300. He wants you to pick a lock handcuffed or bound up. See if we can pick a lock with at least 1 or 2 security pins. I don't have no handcuffs. I wished I did, so might be able to get 2 entries in it. So I was going to try to pick his Brinks 5-pin. Hopefully pretty big lock. So I'll see if we can pick it. Get it where y'all can see it maybe. Try to use top of the keyway. I'm going to try to... He's got well over 300 subs now. Congratulations to Faucet spool pin. Little turn on the core. Drop something. If I can get in there a little bit. Everybody look cool, the ones that tried it before. That's a fun challenge. I got it. So hopefully it ain't too late to enter. Congratulations. I'd say you're about at 400 now, so here's the... Anybody that ain't checked him out needs to go check him out. Awesome pick maker, awesome giveaway, really nice guy. Thanks, guys.